Hello everybody, how you all doing? Are you a-okay in your neck of the woods? What up? Manners and respect. Are your girl Debbie from down a yard? You no pretty? Everything correct? When I say everything correct, you no pretty, it just simply mean the same thing. Are you okay? Well, you know the Jamaican thing, you no pretty? Come on. Now I want to do for you just a nice little juice. It is a cucumber and mint cooler. Alright? Follow me, the man. Right inside my blender here, I have 2.5 cups of chopped cucumber and a 1/4 cup of chopped mint. Right here, I have 1.5 cups of cucumber juice. I'm gonna pour it right in. And to this, I'm gonna add a cup, yes, of water. Right? And we are going to blend. We're gonna pour it out, get right in over here to see how much we got from it. Right in. And if you're new to my channel, welcome and thank you for making it West India Delights. If you're enjoying my videos, please, if you think they also deserve a thumbs up, yeah man, busy up the like button, yeah, leave your comments below, you know we address them. Turn on your notification if you have already subscribed to my channel, so that as soon as a video is out, you know you're not the last to know. If you have not yet subscribed and you think you like my videos and you want to do so, do so. I would be grateful and I would thank you. And I'm asking you, tell a friend about the video, share them, say something to somebody, a co-worker, a family member, say to them, share them, okay? And help me, my family, help me, my local YouTube family, please and thanks, to reach to 100 subscribers at the end of July. I'll be grateful. Thank you. Right? So we're trying to get out as much as this juice. That is where we are at. Okay? Right there. Now, we're going to measure how much we got from it. We're doing some measurement here, family. I want you to get the right blend. So we have 3 3/4 cups. It's not full 4, right? Inside of my juice jug here, I have 2 cups of simple syrup. I'm gonna pour in 3 cups, yes, of my cucumber and mint juice. To this, we have some ginger juice here, fresh and freshly grated and squeezed. I'm gonna put in 1, 2 running over tablespoons of ginger juice. Okay? Alright. We're gonna stir and we're gonna taste for flavor. Perfect. Right here I have a tray of cucumber cubes with the juice. We made the juice and we have ice cubes here from the cucumber juice. Instead of using ice itself, you know, when you get ice, hold on family, you know, when you get ice in solid form, that's fine, but when it starts to melt it becomes water. So you know that what is going to happen, the strength of the juice is going to be lowered. So we want it to get it because it's a cucumber and a mint together. We don't want the strength. Hold on, family. Oops. No problem. You know, after we kitchen, we can clean up that after. Kitchen with it, yeah? So we have some cucumber ice cubes here. So we use these to let the strength of the juice remain. And we're gonna put some inside. And right over our cucumber ice cubes here, we're gonna pour some of our juice. Look at that. No, family, look at that. Okay, let me get my fan off and let me do a little cleaning up. Okay, let me get my fan off and let me do a little cleaning up. And quick little tip, you left back ginger juice, you can also freeze them in ice trays. So if you make a little drink, you can just pop out 1 or 2 and put it in there. Boom. Okay. So here we have it. Cucumber and mint cooler from West Indian Delights. And you know definitely we got a taste. You know I've got a taste. Okay. Gonna put in our straw. Yeah. And we have our little umbrella thingy here that we're gonna use for decoration. Wow. And this is for you all. Enjoy. From my kitchen to yours, cucumber and mint cooler. And I'm gonna taste. Okay? Right on me. Oh, family. Oh, family. I'm gonna be so true to you because you know Debbie down a yard, I'm always true. It's the first I've done this. Very, very first. And let me tell you, I didn't know I would have gotten it this way. I didn't use any lime, family, because I wanted to get the taste of the mint. I omitted the lime juice to let the mint flavor flow. And it does just that. You taste the mint, you taste the cucumber, you taste the ginger. From my kitchen to yours again, it's cucumber and mint cooler. Enjoy. And listen, my man, Debbie from Donga Yard, remember to turn on your notification